it's on 0. Get out of here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's that?
We've just got that on camera. Should we?
What's that?
Should we forward it to Lidl?
Go, go, go.
Go, hurry up.
What are they doing?
We're chasing someone. Come on, move. Oh, are you serious? Go,
Come
go.
on.
Where are they? Come on, let's go.
Oh, they're still running all the way down the road.
Should we go chase them?
They're not running very fast though.
No, they've gone left. They've gone down that side.
Go left, go left.
Left.
Go left.
Are you my am I the blue light driver and you're giving me directions?
Have
Are you
they
the
gone
Tyler?
left?
Are you the Tyler? Oh yeah, look, they've lost him. They've lost him.
Because they weren't running.
They've lost him.
Probably only stolen Mars bar. That's why they weren't running. They were just light jog. If we catch this thief, it's fine. I get paid the same anyway. We're supposed to be making a video.
Oh, but we're chasing crooks.
Okay, what is up, guys? We're in Laura's car and Jesus Christ.
Sorry, start again in a second.
What was that?
I mean, what's happened to your what is up, guys?
Emergency stop.
Why is that so? What is up, guys? Like, come on, Francis.
What is up, guys? We're in Laura's car.
That was just a little bit too much.
Too much?
Like, yeah. You're just like...
Yeah, fuel level low. This is what we want. Okay, cam. Let's go. Do I need to do that? What is up, guys? We're in Laura's car. Ah, I missed it. It's on, give me the thing again.
It will come up in a minute.
Go on. 27 miles. Okay. Have you ever wondered when you're in the car and the fuel light comes on, how much longer do you actually have to get to a petrol station? So your fuel light's on.
It is indeed.
Your dial is on. Is it at 0? Oh, it's so nearly touching 0.
So
nearly touching 0. So what we want to do is have it touch 0, have the range go down to 0, and see how much further the car actually drives.
I like the way that we're doing this in my car and not yours.
Yeah, so the problem is with that, at the bottom of your fuel tank, you're going to get sediment like grit and grime and stuff. So when your fuel tank drains, it pulls the last bit of grit and grime that's in your fuel tank down into the engine. So you don't really want to do this on purpose.
You wouldn't want to do it on purpose, but we're using my car to do it.
But we've got no petrol, and instead of filling up, we're gonna see how long it takes to actually drain the tank and break down. Oh, do you know what we should do, actually?
Fill up a jerry can.
We should fill up a jerry can. Imagine if we got
actually, it'd be so much more fun if we don't fill up a jerry can and we make Francis push the car to the closest petrol station once we break down.
That might be miles.
That would be miles.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to drive past the petrol station, the first one, fill up a jerry can, and then see how many petrol stations we can drive past after that.
Yes.
Okay, cool. How are we doing with fuel? 31 miles.
It's just gone back up. It was 27 a minute ago.
Because
it's a Peugeot.
Because it's a Peugeot. It makes no sense. What are we on over here?
We're getting low.
Okay. Is that your fuel warning? No, that's parking. Where's the fuel warning? Oh, that red light.
The red light.
Okay.
However, it will come up shortly.
Quality. Okay, let's get petrol. Cam, let's go.
Let's go. Let us go and do this. Jerry can. Off we go. Fuel on Francis. I'm going to get as much as I can. Does that look like it's done up properly?
Soon find out. Okay, back in the car. Let's go burn some fuel.
I love the smell of fuel. I love the smell of petrol. I love the smell of petrol.
Bloody Peugeot. Seatbelt doesn't even work. 31. Okay, cool.
No, we're going to get rid of this now. We're going to get rid of this.
So actually, will it go down to 0 when it is 0?
Yeah, it goes to...
Does it go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6?
No, you don't actually, really and truly, you don't see it declare.
Can we not keep that screen on?
No.
Why? Because it's a Peugeot.
Because it's a Peugeot.
So here's our first petrol station. If you've got 31 miles left, you should really be filling up. This is where we should really be. We should have filled up at Asda and put it in the tank, but we didn't.
But we didn't.
We should have filled up at BP. This is like last chance. You know when you get that sign on the A road or motorway, like this is the last service station. Don't take the piss, fill up now.
That's like when I drive to Brighton, as you get through Causden, there's a Starbucks.
Oh my God, should we see if we can get to Brighton?
And I call it the point of no return. And
before you get on the M23.
Before you get on the M23, I call that the point of no return because if you haven't filled up by then,
you can't get to Brighton.
You're kind of buggered up.
Yeah, there's no fuel at Starbucks either. Shall we go to Brighton? Shall we see if the car can get to Brighton?
Shall we see how close to the M23 we can get?
How close to Brighton we can get? If we can get, do you know what? It might be illegal to break down on purpose on a motorway.
I think it is. Yeah,
let's not do that. Let's not do that.
Let's not incur any fines.
Yeah. Well,
the thing is though, what you've got to think about is when you are low on fuel and then you're going up inclines and stuff, going up hills and stuff, the fuel that is in your tank is going to swish to a certain direction.
That is true.
And it's going to then
because
leave
if this is your fuel tank and the pipe is here,
a snail there.
When you go like that, what is that?
There's a snail.
A snail on your jerry can.
That's obviously...
When the car goes like that, oh my days.
Leave the snail on the thing!
The snail's on it, the snail's on it. We don't have 2 jerry cans worth of fuel, this one's empty.
Yeah, so all the fuel drains to...
I think we've got the point now. 31, come on.
It's going to go down. We just need to drive. Another petrol station up here.
Is there?
That we're going to go past.
Okay, that we're not going to stop at.
That we're not going to stop at.
Where did that sign say that is? Hackbridge.
Towards Wallington.
Oh, Wallington.
Yeah, we can go
Wallington
around.
For the Wallies that are trying to run out of fuel. Jesus.
It's a bit close to the curb. Come on.
27. Maybe we should have started this when
24?
it was on 0. Okay. It does go down quickly then. We didn't
So once it gets to that last bit...
We didn't do 3 miles.
No, exactly.
No.
When it gets to that last bit...
We did 2 corners.
Starts to... definitely starts to drop.
So even if it says 31 miles and your destination on Google Maps is 20 miles away, you can't rely on that, can you?
No.
Go on, send it.
Send what?
Send it.
Oh,
within the speed limit though.
Within the speed limit?
Obviously, we're on YouTube.
Oh. No, so you keep singing Cher. Is it Cher or Cher?
No idea.
Bit like how you say Toblerone and it's a Toblerone.
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 Alright, cool. This one. Pita bread or pita bread?
It's pita bread.
Shut up. No.
Just like it's a doner kebab.
No, it's not a doner kebab. That's blood. Blood donor. It's a doner kebab. But
it's a doner kebab.
A doner kebab goes in a pita bread.
No, it goes in a pita bread.
A pita bread.
It's a pita bread.
Stop, I'm not having it.
Oh my gosh. You say tomato, I say tomato.
And, well, I say tomato, but I also say pita, right?
Which is pita, yeah. You just said it.
Shut up. Fuel level low!
Coming, camera!
I can see. Is that going to stay there or is that going away?
It'll go.
Okay.
It's another warning though.
Another warning,
Another warning. Is that 3 warnings we've had?
4.
4 warnings.
3 or 4?
I mean, if you was warned,
Loads.
if you was, like, take for example, if you was a student at school and you got given 4 warnings for something, you'd buck up your ideas, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And you'd start behaving.
That's why I don't think that it goes a long way. when it goes to 0 because you've been warned. It's told you enough times that your fuel's low and to fill up.
Should we take...
Ah! Pull on that drive.
I'm going very slowly. What the fuck? Blooper! Blooper! Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's the GoPro 11. Oh my god. What happened? Is that on?
Pojo took out my new camera.
I wanted to go that way, but we're going
go that way, go that way.
Go that way?
Yeah, is that fast? 40, go this way.
Yeah. So you're going towards Beijing Gardens. Beijing Gardens!
Actually, no, go left.
Go left, yeah?
Yeah.
That takes us to Box Hill. Should we go to the top of Box Hill? Oh, I beg we go to the top of Box Hill.
How far's that?
It's like 10 minutes drive. This is like my favourite place to go.
Box Hill, why?
Just love it.
Why?
I just really like it. It's tranquil. The view is nice. It's a happy place for me. It's where I go when, is that going to be okay?
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah. Everyone has that place that they drive to or want to go to when yeah.
Okay. Oh, another petrol station.
Another one, possibly two, because I think there's one on the other side further up.
Which we should really stop at.
But we're not going to.
We're not going to.
Because we're back to 18.
Was it on 18 before? It's never been lower than 18, right?
And 18 was the lowest it's been so far.
Oh, Lamborghini. McLaren.
Yeah, that Romans. My dream is to be able to buy a car from Romans one day. That is my dream. Or Joe Macari.
Joe Macari. Oh, I saw Gordon Ramsay at Joe Macari. I've told you that story before.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Not in Joe Macari. He drives a car and he drives a car. No shit. He drives a Range Rover and he's got a private
drives
plate.
His wife up the wall as well.
He's got a private plate on his car. I can't remember what it was. Just remember GTR is part of the plate. And I was on a lesson. You know the bit by Joe Macari where it's left turn only.
Yes.
So I was with a people and I was like, that's a left turn only lane. So we kind of attempted to move across. We were definitely blocking two lanes, both lanes, the left lane and the right lane. We were blocking both of them so no one could get past us. And then, fuel level low. And then the left turn lane went left turn green. So you could go left from the left turn lane, but we were trying to go straight, so we couldn't go. And there was this big, massive Range Rover behind us, but we were blocking, and he was really patient. Normally people would hoot learners that are blocking the road and inconveniencing people, but they didn't, whoever was in that Range Rover. And then as the traffic started moving, we started creeping to the right, and then this massive Range Rover went past, and I looked, and I went, put my hand up to say sorry for blocking and thank you for being patient.
And it was Gordon Ramsay.
And it was Gordon Ramsay!
Petrol station!
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
This is going to go on TikTok, me looking at my phone and you driving, and we're going to get comments about you shouldn't use your phone while you're teaching someone how to drive.
Well, you're not teaching me. I am a full licence holder.
Could have fooled me.
Look at the colours. The autumnal colours.
Look beaut.
Ah!
Zero! It's on zero! Cami cam! Zero, okay. Reset your trip. Okay, we've got 0 miles now, and I guessed 5, you guessed 12. Let's go and run out of petrol. No miles left, 0.1 miles on the clock. Let's go.
Wonder if my engine will start thereafter.
Yeah. I hope not, because then I'll be closest. Parking space.
That's exactly
Nice,
what I'm
easy
doing.
one.
In we go. Can't see the wooden plank. Where's the wooden bit? There it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, you are using a parking sensor.
Boom.
So what's so special about Box Hill? Why is this the spot?
This is my place where I like to come when I have a lot to think about, or if there's any...
Not often then.
It's just my happy place.
And you just hang out here and look at the view?
Yeah, I've been here since I was a child. I've come in here since I was a child. We used to cycle. We used to put the bikes in the car and come here and cycle around. At the very bottom, there's the stepping stones that go across the... I'm going to take you down there. I'm going to take you down there. Look at the end. If we don't run out of fuel. But yeah, just the view's nice. It's tranquil. The air is fresh, and it's just a good place to come and think, sit and think.
Oh, those girls from TikTok.
At least we've got fans nearby, so if we do run out of fuel, we need
they
the
can
car
come and push us. Okay, surprising that we made it all the way to Box Hill. Let's see how much further we can make it. We got 1.7 on the trip.
We're both so out of breath.
I'm not out of breath.
Huh?
Fuel level low. As if the fact that it was on 0 range wasn't enough. Go that way and I'll direct you on the...
What, go right?
Yeah, go zigzag road.
Go zigzag road.
Sounds more fun.
It is definitely a little bit palm sweaty.
Well then, we have to go that way. Oh wow, this is so cool. This is actually zigging zagging all over the place.
Yeah, have a look at that.
Why would you not have wanted to come this way? This is so good. What is that?
What's that? Feel the rhythm.
It's going very, very slowly.